What if your application could sense traffic spikes and scale up before users even notice? In the early days, scaling meant adding servers manually. More traffic? Open a ticket. Less traffic? Too bad. Pay anyway. Kubernetes introduced the horizontal pod autoscaler, watching CPU and memory to decide when to scale. Then came vertical pod autoscaler, cluster autoscaler, Kita for event-driven scaling, predictive AI autoscalers for intelligent forecasting. Everything is high-scale: AI apps, APIs, streaming services. Autoscaling is no longer optional, it's survival. Autoscaling is like cruise control for applications. Adjust speed automatically, no manual input. Expect AI-powered scaling that reacts to user behavior, weather patterns, even business events. Kubernetes didn't just standardize scaling, it automated it.